Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. You've been asking for high paying jobs, so I am here to deliver for you. Here are 5 different high paying jobs that you can work remotely right now. Job number 1 is from Mediary Marketing, and this is a Facebook and IG marketing ads account expert. Pays $30 to $50 an hour. Mediary is a boutique social media management and marketing agency seeking a content creator who can also help with general operations. We need an expert in creating and managing Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads to help us develop a system to manage posts and campaigns for our clients. Duties include setting up Ads Manager to run campaigns for clients, walk staff through the process of setting up accounts, manage payments, etc., in-depth knowledge of Facebook Ad Manager, in-depth knowledge of running ad campaigns across social media platforms. It's a part-time job, pays $30 to $50 an hour, has a flexible schedule Monday to Friday, includes supplemental pay including bonus pay and commission pay, experience at least 2 years required of Facebook advertising and 2 years preferred of Google Ad Manager. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to have the link right in the description below under job 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. In order for you to keep up, all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Job number 2, veterinary telemedicine. They're looking for a digital marketing associate. Pays $50,000 from $70,000 a year. Vet Choice Radiology are a full-service teleradiology company with board-certified radiologists and highly experienced staff dedicated to support veterinary hospitals. Our team is committed to offer the premier experience through guaranteed services as well as going above and beyond for customer satisfaction. This is an exciting opportunity to work in the emerging market of telemedicine in a role that is completely remote. Our marketing department is responsible for creating and implementing print marketing, digital marketing, and social media management alongside our business development team. The successful candidate will have an excellent communication experience in digital content creation and social media management. At Vet's Choice, we have raised our standard with our excellent service, and new team members will echo this attitude. We do prefer a candidate that has had experience in the veterinary section. The marketing associate will be responsible for digital content creation, managing all social media and web platforms, reputation management, metric reporting, collaborating on print marketing creation. Most importantly, the marketing associate will provide guidance for future marketing campaigns, including budgetary needs to continue growing our business. Responsibilities and duties. Designing and overseeing all aspects of our digital marketing department, including our marketing database, email, and display advertising campaigns. Developing and monitoring campaign budgets. Planning and managing our social media platforms. Preparing accurate reports on our marketing campaigns' overall performance. Identifying the latest trends and technologies affecting our industry. Evaluating important metrics that affect our website traffic. Service quotas and target audience. Working with your team to brainstorm new and innovative growth strategies. Overseeing and managing all contests, giveaways, and other digital projects. Qualifications. At least 3 to 5 years experience in digital marketing or advertising. Veterinary industry experience is highly preferred. Knowledge of various social media platforms, best practices, and website analytics. Excellent organization skills. Excellent communication skills. Creativity and ability to think outside the box. Knowledge on the most up-to-date market trends and technologies. High school diploma and further education is a plus. Some of the skills: digital content creator, social media management, reputation management, print marketing, knowledge and the ability to problem solve, technical knowledge, computer savvy, excellent communication skills, written and verbal, independent thinking, self-motivated, and open to dynamic work environment. The job is full-time and offers competitive wages, has some health benefits, It's a fully remote role, full-time, $50,000 to $70,000 per year. Offers a flexible schedule with some health insurance and paid time off, and includes supplemental pay such as bonus pay. Experience at least 3 years of marketing required, and at least 3 years of content creation preferred. If you feel like you're the perfect person for this particular position, we'll have the link right in the description below under job 2, and you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and all you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next job is the Gottman Institute. They're looking for an email marketing coordinator. It pays from $55,000 a year. The email marketing coordinator is responsible in the execution of TGI's email programs to all audiences and collaborates on an end-to-end email operations. This role works cross-functionality and requires strong collaboration, communication, and project management skills. This role reports to the email marketing manager and manages the deployment of all email marketing campaigns to drive positive impact, engagement, subscription, product sales, reactivation, and strives to continually improve our unsubscribe rates and other key KPIs. The role requires a strong blend of technical ability, analytics, planning, and campaign execution, with a focus on measuring and optimizing effectiveness. You should have a test and learn mentality, always waiting to improve overall effectiveness. Responsibilities. Primary responsibility for production and execution of regularly programmed email schedule, including but not limited to creating email templates in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, tweaking copy, code, or images as needed, setting up the appropriate sending infrastructure, QA testing, scheduling and deploying final campaigns or automated flows, collaborate on all email marketing efforts, deploy effective campaigns using email marketing technologies, contribute to the building and maintenance of new automated email journeys, execute A/B testing and other tests and learn tactics to constantly improve information of effectiveness of messaging, collaborate with the email marketing manager, help drive email subscriber growth for TGI, partner close with content creative, web, and social teams to create consistent, brand-driven, omni-channel messaging and visual design. Keep TGI current on email marketing best practice and regard to content strategies, data capture, analysis, and deliverability. Annual salary ranges from $55,000 to $65,000, with initial placement depending on qualification and experience. The ideal candidate has the following: experience as an email marketing coordinator or similar position. You have a successful track record in developing and executing email marketing campaigns. You have a high data-driven, detail-oriented, and have a strong project management skills. You have some technical abilities, preferably some SQL and HTML and CSS knowledge. You take ownership and are an inventive problem solver. You work well cross-functionality with experience working with internal and external teams. You're a self-starter with the ability to identify, prioritize, and help the team. You have an understanding of customer segmentation. You're comfortable with a high degree of dynamism in the business. Some of the benefits include health, dental, and vision insurance, flexible spending account, 120 hours of vacation in year 1, 12 paid holidays a year, generous parental leave, personal development stipend, complimentary attendance of you and your partner to a world-renowned Gotham Art and Science of Love workshop, access to a huge library of online courses for training and development, discounted member pricing for a variety of products and services, access to an employee assistance program, work with an amazing team that's dedicated to helping individuals. This job type is full-time, pays from $55,000 to $65,000 per year. It has all those benefits listed. It is Monday through Friday, and if you are the right candidate for this position, if you feel like it, we're going to have the link right in the description down below so you can apply right away under job number 3. But if not, it's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best work from home job that's available for you. This next job is from 3 Point Solutions Incorporated. They're looking for a communication specialist. It's 100% remote. Pays $19 to $20 per hour. The duration of this position is 15 months. You will help desk tickets and email inbox management. You will report feedback to client authoring systems, assist with purchase orders and billing, assist in creation of team presentations and communications, assist in facilitating team meetings, and assist with process enhancements. Must have: you have to be self-driven, motivated, and ready to jump in, communication and marketing background. Requirements: bachelor's degree in business and communication, strong communication skills, written and verbal, ability to coordinate multiple projects, responsive to quick turnarounds, and is a full-time position, pays $19 to $20 per hour, has 8-hour shifts, and prefer at least 1 year in writing skills. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we'll have the link right in the description below under job number 4, but if not, that's completely okay. We have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. And all you have to do if you want to keep up is to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available now for you. This next job is from Shed.com. They're looking for a content manager. It pays from $50,000 to $65,000 a year. We're looking for an all-star content manager to join our growing team as the owner of our content marketing initiatives. Your goal will be to engage our target audience with content that they have to consume, whether that's a blog post, a company newsletter, an email drip campaign, or a podcast. Our content manager must be a passionate brand storyteller with a journalist mindset, as well as an obsession for content performance, reporting, and analytics. The right candidate will also possess the heart of a teacher with a love of learning, writing, and communication in all forms. Most of all, they will see the value in every person on our team and put them at ease, empowering them to tell stories and share their expertise with our audience. Typical weekly duties for a content manager: research, write, and edit content at a rapid pace. Company email marketing efforts, including newsletters and automated workflows. Ownership of all analytics and reporting for content marketing efforts. Be able to write for search engine optimization (SEO), social media for community engagement and long-term content promotion, premium content production including ebooks, white paper, webinars, etc., creating landing pages and conversion opportunities for lead generation, general website updates and enhancement. Requirements: ability to provide links to published content samples, ability to adjust content strategy to generate desired results, ability to work and measure, use spreadsheets and optimize content to achieve specific measurable goals, bachelor's degree in English, journalism, education, public relations, or related marketing communication films, project field experience with marketing automation tools, incredible people skills, and need to be continually learning the latest platform technology tools and marketing solutions. It includes a competitive salary with some paid time off, schedule flexibility, bonuses, health benefits, travel benefits, profit sharing, and it is fully remote. It is full-time, pays from $50,000 to $65,000 per year, and it includes some bonus pay, and at least 1 year preferred of journalism and content management, and 1 year preferred of email marketing. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this or any of the jobs that we mentioned today, all the links are going to be in the description below so you can apply right away. But if they're not for you, that's completely okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. And all you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available today for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.